Hello everyone, it's Mommy here from Marvelous Beauty World. Welcome back. I'll be sharing with you, it's winter time, the skin sometimes mess around, try to be dry, but today I've got a nice body butter that I'll be sharing with you. Keep watching. Thank you. Yeah guys, we've got our ingredients here for our body butter. So we have shea butter here, which is the main ingredient. As we know, shea butter is rich in vitamin A and E. Is really good to keep the skin moist. And we've got coconut oil, 100% pure coconut oil, really good as well to keep the moist. So we'll be using turmeric, so we don't want to use the powder because the powder sometimes is stain on the body. So we'll be using the oil instead, and then we'll be using our almond sweet oil and avocado oil. So you keep watching how I'm gonna do all the mix. That's our shea butter, how it looks like. So for the measurement, it's up to you. If you want like a lot of butter, you put a lot of shea butter. If you just want, like, it depends honestly for the quantity. So there you go. So we're gonna put it in the microwave and then it's gonna melt. I will come and show you how it's gonna look like after putting in the microwave. Previously I did put the shea butter in the microwave for 2 minutes. So I thought it's gonna take 1 minute, but I have to increase 1 minute. So to make it like 2 minutes, that's how it looks like. It's totally melted. I forgot to mention first, we need organic honey. It's really good, like, to moisturize the skin as well and then keep it so nice and smooth. Guys, please, you let me know in a description box down below, if you ever try any body butter before. How did you do it? Just let's share. Sharing is caring. I like sharing ideas, so it makes us stronger. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. So I did put the coconut oil in the hot water because I want it to melt, and then I'll mix it with our shea butter. Got our shea butter already melted. So we're gonna add a teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is really good for the skin, very moisturizing. It gives you a nice glowy skin. Guys, this body butter is gonna give you a nice glowy skin. Imagine we are in winter, but you will be shining like a little star. So after mixing coconut oil and shea butter, you see how it looks like. So that's the consistency. So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of honey. So make sure you use organic one, yeah. So go for organic onion. So it's gonna be really nice to keep all the moist in the skin and give you a nice glow skin in winter time. Yeah, so you're gonna add a few drops of turmeric oil. I didn't want to use the powder because of staining, so I'll use oil instead. So I'll put a few drops in. Really good turmeric oil for skin blemishes, brightening skin, lightening skin. So turmeric oil is really good. And then you're gonna add a little bit of sweet almond oil as well. Is here really nice on nourishing the skin, and then it's got like a lot of good minerals there as well. Avocado oil, finally, avocado, really nice, replenishing the skin, keeping the moist. Yeah, so we put all together and then mix. Looks like very simple. So the main ingredient was shea butter, which is really good, moisturizing the skin and then keeping the skin really nice and nourished. This body butter, trust me, is just a life-changing. If you try it on your skin, especially if you have dry skin, is gonna work like perfectly. Even on normal skin, it works really powerful, and then it gives you a nice glowy skin. Guys, you try it. If you never come across this channel, please subscribe. If you are one of our regular, please leave us a comment down below. We love to hear from you. If you ever experienced any body butter before, please let us know what was it your experience. We love you so much. We're gonna let it set apart and then we're gonna come and then show you how it looks like. That's how it looks like after leaving it like set, you know. So that's how it looks like. After let it set, so we're just gonna like move it around a little bit, and then I will just blend it to have a nice butter consistency. But right now I'm just like moving it, you know. Yeah. Blend it to have a nice paste consistency. Our butter is ready to put on our body. It's really nice. See the consistency, so it has to be like a proper butter. So see, you take it from here, you put it like on your skin. See how just, you know, moist it leave on the skin. Is really nice. See that? It's really nice to nourish and then, you know, help your skin out of the dryness, or if you want just to have nice glow skin. Yeah, so I hope you learned something new from it. Let us know your thoughts. So we see you next time. We're just gonna put it like in a bowl, and then yeah, that's it. See you next one. Bye. Guys, before I leave, I want to mention something important. The body butter is only for the body. You don't use it on the face because shea butter can be like quite thick. The consistency is quite thick, so it's not for the face. It's only on the body that you use this body butter. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate you guys. Try this body butter, you're gonna love it. It's really nice. It gives you like a nice glowy skin, you know. We don't want your skin to be dry, cracking. No, we don't want that. We want you to have a nice smooth skin. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's help this channel grow. If you are one of our subscribers, please leave us a comment. What do you think about this video? If you ever tried any body butter or any, you know, anything like related to the body, you did a DIY, so let us know. We love you.